Hello everyone, I'm Ken and welcome to Dare to Try. In this program, we invite you to try new sports and activities, new things that you've never tried before. In today's program, we have rollerblading, canoeing, rock climbing and much more. So, let's go. First, rollerblading. We'll take this pair of rollerblades and we're going to ask that boy over there, do you think he'll dare to try? Let's go and ask. Excuse me. Excuse me, what's your name?
Me?
Yes, you. What's your name? James. I'm here from Dare to Try. We have rollerblading. Do you dare to try?
Yes.
Okay, congratulations. James will try the rollerblade.
This show's stupid.
Okay, see what you
It
think
is
of
not
this.
stupid. I like it.
It is stupid. That boy will just fall over.
He will not. It's not stupid.
Yes, it is. I say we should watch a new program because this program's stupid.
No.
Excuse me. What did you say? Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Did you say you think this show is stupid?
Yes.
Why?
Well, those people on your show are actors. They already know how to do those things. So it's not a real dare, is it?
Is that what you think? Let me show you that you're very, very wrong.
Whoa!
There you see. You didn't know I was going to do that, did you?
No, that was great.
Thanks. Now, how would you like to try some new sports or activities? Yes, Jordan? Dare to try?
Well, you know you had those rollerblades. Well, I'd like to do that.
That's great, Jordan.
Hey, wait! Jordan can't use those rollerblades. He'll just fall over.
Well, he might fall over at first, but I'm sure he can do it if he tries. And after all, we will help him, won't we?
How can we help him?
Give him support. Cheer him on.
What will you do?
Well, I'll take him to a place where he can practice without hurting himself. Jordan, are you ready to try?
Yes.
That's great. Let's go. Jordan, are you ready to try?
Yes.
Good. You must always be careful. You must wear a helmet.
Okay.
You'll need a pair of elbow pads.
Elbow pads, okay.
Wrist guards.
Wrist guards, check.
Knee guards.
Knee guards, oh, sure, okay.
And a pair of these.
Okay, what next?
Get dressed. Then you can go out and try your new blades.
Okay.
Let me check your safety equipment first. Helmet, elbow, wrist, and knee. You should be safe now.
Yes, but what happens if I fall?
Whoa! If you fall, get up again.
Of course, I do that.
Okay, Jordan, are you ready to show your friends how you can skate?
But I can't skate. I'll never be able to skate.
You can do it. Come on, I will help you and your friends will too.
My friends aren't even here.
Yes, they are. Look.
Come on! Go, Jordan! You can do it! Go, Jordan! Try harder! Go on! You can do it!
Come on, Jordan, you can do it. Come on.
Yes, I can do it.
Well done, Jordan. Come on.
Oh no! Jordan's fallen over!
Get up, Jordan.
You're getting better.
Yeah, you can do it.
Well done. Well done, Jordan. You were brave to try something new. You dared to try and you did it.
I'm so happy. I want to practice and practice and practice till I'm a winner.
Your friends are all very proud of you now.
Are they?
Jordan! Well done, Jordan!
Ken, can we join Jordan on the show?
What? You want to join Jordan on the show? Okay, just come on over.
Where are we?
Hello. Please be seated.
Ken, can we dare to try some new sport too, please?
Yes, of course. But you don't just have to try a sport. How about playing music, performing a dance, or anything?
Playing music?
Performing a dance?
Yes, why not? Try lots of different activities. Fill your time learning new things. You'll enjoy life much more. So, Sally, Max, Tom, dare to try?
Well, I would really like to try canoeing.
I would like to try rock climbing.
Tom!
Me? No, I don't think I'm ready to try anything yet. I don't think so.
Really? There must be something that you want to try.
No, really, I don't.
Come on, Tom. There's got to be something you want to try.
Well, anyway, Tom can think about it. But right now, let's get Sally and Max started. Congratulations, Max. You dared to try and you've done it. Next time, let's do something more difficult.
More difficult?
Yes, more difficult.
A great time. How about you?
Yeah, it's great to do new things. I'm having a lot of fun.
Why haven't you done anything new?
Well, you see, I'm not sure how to tell Ken what I want to try. Anyway, he wouldn't like my idea.
Why not? This TV program's to show people doing new things. What do you want to do anyway?
Okay, with that finished, now we're on to the next dare. Hi, Jordan.
Ken, can I speak to you?
Is it another dare?
Yes, but not for me, it's for Tom.
Then why doesn't Tom come and tell me then?
Well, he's sort of shy, and it's sort of a special dare.
Really? What is it?
Okay, but you gotta promise to keep it a secret.
Okay, I promise to keep it a secret. Tell me what it is.
Oh, okay. Tom wants to become the TV show host.
Okay, this one time.
Thanks, Ken. It was very kind of you to let me try this.
That's okay. Good luck. Oh, Jordan, thanks for telling me what Tom wants to try.
Of course, anytime.
Oh yes, Jordan. Thanks too. You're a great friend.
Sure, anytime. Good luck.
Tom, and welcome to Dare to Try. Today we have many different sports, including rock climbing, rollerblading, canoeing, and so much more. But before we start, let me introduce my good friends, Jordan, Max, and Sally. Okay, Jordan, what did you do today?
I got to try to rollerblade.
And how about you, Max?
I learnt to rock climb.
And you, Sally?
I went canoeing.
Okay, Jordan, do you want to see yourself rollerblading?
Okay.
Okay, then let's watch. We dared to try, and we did it. Do any of you dare to try?